everyone. In this video, let's understand what is column chart, how to create a stunning column chart using Tableau. Column chart is used to represent data using vertical rectangular bars. It's almost similar to bar plot. So in bar chart, basically, the data will be represented in horizontal bars, but in column chart, data will be represented in vertical bars. We're gonna use this column chart when we want to analyze one numerical variable and one categorical variable. If you are interested in knowing subcategory wise profit, then we go with column chart. Whichever has highest length, that basically represents highest profit, and whichever has a very less length, that represents less profit. Now let's see how to create this stunning column chart using Tableau. Are you excited? Let's begin. Almost same. Let me select subcategory and let me select a profit. Just go to the show me and select this horizontal bars, but I want a vertical bar. So how do you get a vertical bar? Pretty simple. Just drag this profit into a row and subcategory into a column. So we get the vertical columns. So now, in order to change the color, just go to our color and change the color that you want. Well, it's done. I want to see the labels, that is a profit. Let me drag profit on top of a label. Once this is done, if you want to format the x-axis, y-axis label, you can do that as well. And before that, let's do formatting like sorting. Let me just arrange them in certain order. It clearly shows that copiers is giving highest profit and tables is giving negative profit. If you want to format the x-axis and y-axis values, just right-click and select a format option. Here, select the field, that is subcategory, and change the font color. Something like this. Similarly, go and select sum of profit and change the color. Well, I have changed the labels. Let me go into an axis and let me change the font color. Well, it's done. Similarly, you can change the font of a title as well, something like this. Well, this is how we create a stunning column chart using Tableau. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.